Hi guys, this is Lee with the Market Sense for the week of February 18th, 2020. Hope everybody remembered Valentine's Day. The charts in this presentation come to us from the Trade Navigator software, and that's made by Gettess. And this is our weekly bond market chart. And as I've been saying, this big sideways move and a trip back up here could be a retest of the highs, which could lead to a major collapse. But they're not doing that yet. Just because it could doesn't mean they will. This week, after last week being an inside bar, which was following an outside bar, really means just a market that is in total indecision. So we could possibly look at resistance at, let's call it 163.24.25, or support down in the 161 area. Either of those could hold, but neither of them is a very good probability, really. The best probability is if a breakout occurs. And let me be clear, it's not that the probability that a breakout will occur is high. It just means if we get one, it should be pretty good. And that would be looking for them to go either above 165 up here or down here below, let's call it 160.08. Now, in each case, you might only be looking for about a point more move. I mean, if they go take about 165, the previous highs here 165.30, so you'd have to look and make sure they don't run into a problem there and they blow through. And by the same token, down here below 160.08, you get 59.08 is where the mid-Keltner channel is. So, I take a point anytime they give it to me. But I think breakouts are probably the way to look at this market. Whether they occur or not is a different situation. Stocks, well, just more of the same, right? New highs again last week, and a big down move after the 3-day weekend. But that down move did not even carry, at least not yet, down to the upper support to continue the strong trend. That support's in the 33.48 area. They missed that by more than 7 points, and they seem to be turning back up again. Gosh, I mean, could they go to 3,300? Sure. Could they go to 32.46? Yeah, they could do either of those things, and neither of them would look really bad yet. And that makes it look like they're going to try to get to the next upside target, which is well above 3,400, 3,411 roughly. The only thing that scares me, and it shouldn't be the only thing, I can find things to scare me all the time, but the one thing that's bothering me right now is I really didn't think the coronavirus was going to be a big deal, but the media won't let it go, and there may be enough discussion about it that it'll become a self-fulfilling prophecy. People will be scared to go out. If they don't go out, they don't buy stuff, and stocks will go down. That could happen, but it hasn't started happening yet, and that's the important thing. At this point, the trend is still up, and all you got to do is look for places to buy it if you can, and they have not gone down to the highest support yet this week, so consequently, they still look awfully strong. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable